I'd love to start out with in the world of B2B overall, but B2B, trust is more important than ever to build. And I always like to say this one stat, it's very current out of the Edelman Trust Barometer that of 32,000 respondents worldwide, 67% think that business leaders like you and I are being intentionally misleading.
Mm.
And that's significant. Obviously, it's a big trend in B2B in terms of they're waiting longer and longer to want to even talk to us because they're doing all their homework. They don't trust us the way that they used to. And this has been a trajectory that's been going in the wrong direction for a long time, decades. But what it means is that trust, before the short list is formed, you need to have awareness and trust built. And there's a whole pillar that we're not using to help build trust behind our voice, behind our brands. Tell me a little bit about how trust is built differently and credibility through influencers.
Yeah, I think we're all aware that advertising is probably not as effective as it used to be. I think the primary reason for that, and I blame marketers for it, is how we've been inundating people with advertisements, targeting them, following them around the internet, which most people find really creepy. And brands can say whatever they want. Your website can claim you're the number one this or that. Obviously, there are sometimes legal implications if you're a publicly traded company and so on, but a lot of businesses can say that they're the best or they have this technology that does X, and they actually don't. What's happening to trust is it's being eroded every time we're pushing marketing messages in front of people's faces that they can basically see through as advertisements. That's what makes influencer and partnerships so important, because whenever you're about to check out a new restaurant, what do? You look at the reviews. You want to know from people who have eaten there what the restaurant's like. You don't go to the website, maybe you look at the menu, but then you always go and check out the reviews. Same with new products that are released. The same is true for influencer across business products. If you want to see what an actual product is like, you have to go to YouTube potentially and see someone showing themselves using it and saying, this is what this tool does. You're joining a conference and someone on stage is talking about it, but they've actually tried the product, they're promoting the product, and that just automatically is an authentic recommendation over an advertisement. They've already done it. You trust them for whatever reason because they're an expert, because you follow them, because they have a huge audience. And so you trust that's coming from a place of authenticity and an endorsement, whereas advertisements are intentionally meant to cause you to click on them and download content or fill out a form. I think that there's just this natural inclination for humans to trust other people who have tried products over the content that the brand is writing, because the brand can say anything, whereas someone who uses the product is usually pretty spot on about it.